Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box to share with you. It's by Cult Beauty and this is only released yesterday, and this is the More Beauty Sleep beauty box. The cost of the box is £45. It has a value of £245, so massive savings. But I found a code yesterday, U15, which entitled me to receive an extra 15% off, which worked out around £38. Also, if you're new to Cult Beauty, if you were to sign up on their website, you will receive 15% discount on your first order. You might be able to double up. I'm not too sure. I've been a long-standing Cult Beauty fan for years, and so I'm not sure if that would work, but it's worth trying if you are a new subscriber to use the U15 as well. You never know. But if I can find any other codes or freebies, then you will find them down below in my description, as well as links to this box. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. There's 10 beauty products inside. There's a couple of full sizes, couple of minis, couple of deluxe travel sizes. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So I'll give you a quick woo-wee. That fell. I'll give you a quick sneak peek first. First up, we've got a product by Sunday Riley. This is Slumber Party Restful Sleep Pillow Spray. It's in a little bag. I love this brand and I've never tried this spray before, so it's completely new to me. Lemon verbena, petitgrain, neroli and vetiver. That's what the outer packaging looks like. And there is 50 mils here. Oh, I can already smell it. Through the bottle. I can smell it through the bottle. Oh, I love neroli and I use sleep sprays all the time, so I'm really excited about this. Ooh, it's going into my face. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, my husband's gonna love this one. He hates it when I've got a pillow spray that is really, really strong with lavender. He likes lavender, but not like so strong that it makes him cough. But no, this is beautiful. Restful Sleep Pillow Spray naturally promotes a deeper, more restorative sleep, so you wake up feeling refreshed. So that's the first item in the box. Next, we've got a Soul Soothing Relaxing Bath Soak by Odacite. I think that's how you say it, California. Himalayan crystal salt and French lavender, neroli and patchouli. And there's 227 grams in here. This sounds absolutely amazing. Oh, I am gutted. We ripped out our bath last week, so I haven't got a bath anymore. I am going to keep it because I'm bound to go somewhere that has a bath at some point. Yeah, I am going to keep it. I'm not going to pass that on. It sounds gorgeous. Next up, we got a product by Medik8, and this is Sleep Glycolic Time Release AHA's Overnight at Home Peel, and there's 30 mils here. I love Cult Beauty boxes. I absolutely love them because they introduce me to products that I've never tried before, which I absolutely love. So what is this then? An at-home AHA peel with time-release technology. Glycolic acid is released into the skin overnight to gently but effectively exfoliate, improving the appearance of skin texture and tone. The complexion is left visibly brighter, smoother and glowing. Use 2 to 3 times a week after cleansing in the evening. Apply Sleep Glycolic to face, neck and décolletage, avoiding the eye area. Leave on overnight. I'm going to have to see how that works with my retinol and tretinoin creams that I apply to my face. Like, have a day off, use this in between, and then have another day off and then go back to my tretinoin. I'm not too sure. I'm going to have to look into it, or else having these products is pointless, which upsets me because I don't want to give it away. I want to use them, but obviously I don't want to cause a reaction on my face. If you use tretinoin or retinol on your face, then please let me know how you incorporate other skincare into your regime. I'd love to know. So there's that. Next up, we've got a product by Hourglass, and we've got Equilibrium but Rebalancing Cream Cleanser, and there's 27 mils here. I don't own any skincare from Hourglass. Not a lot of information about it. It just says how to use it, which I'm sure you know. You apply it to your face, move it around your face in circular motions with damp skin to create a creamy lather, massage, and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. I'm gonna have to look that up and see what it says about it. Next, we have got something I have tried before. This is by Scientia. This is Dusk Elixir, Active Oil Blend, Regenerate, Rewind, Replenish, Restore, 30 mils here. Now this brand got in touch with me last year before, and they wanted to just send me out a little package, a little PR package for me to try their products. Not in exchange for anything, just to introduce me to the brand. Oh my word, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It has a powerhouse of ingredients. I'll see what I can read off the back here. It actually says here, a powerhouse. I didn't just read it, honestly. A powerhouse of antioxidants and fatty acids to plump exhausted skin with hydration, enriched with bakuchiol and natural retinol to help boost collagen production and to tackle signs of aging. Formulated to give aromatherapy benefits too. Let lavender, ylang-ylang and frankincense calm skin and mind. Press into your palms and inhale. Take 3 deep breaths, then apply gently and press onto your face and sleep, and then hit the pillow. I love using oils. I tend to use oils mainly at night after I've put my tretinoin on. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. It is really, really lovely. Definitely a brand to look out for. Next up, we got a product by Elemis. These are Pro-Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. Eye mask for fine lines, and there's 3 in there. And I've tried these before as well, and yeah, they're lovely. I love Elemis. You probably already know that. And I do love their Pro-Collagen range as well. It is really, really lovely. My skin loves it. And yeah, these are handy. I've got a load of them in a little fridge. Not just Elemis, other eye masks as well. And yeah, in a little skincare fridge that I share with my daughter. So we got some eye masks there. Next up, we've got a product by Molten Brown. This is a bath and shower gel, and this is Relaxing Ylang-Ylang, and there's 100 mils there. I got a really nice collection growing of Molten Brown bath and shower gels. I can't wait until our bathroom is done so I can put them all up on a shelf. Oh, I'm wearing this today. It is fab. It's an award-winning serum from Iceland, BIOEFFECT EGF Serum. Now, I've never bought the full size because up until now I've managed to have this size in beauty boxes, one-off boxes, in PR boxes, so really, really lucky. This size, which is 5 mils, is worth around £35. Oh, it feels gorgeous on the skin. It feels like an oil. I'm wearing it today. I've still got a few little bottles of this, so I'm not going to buy it because it's pricey. It is really pricey. I get really excited when I see these in beauty boxes because it does feel amazing. You only need a tiny bit and it spreads over the face beautifully. It leaves my skin looking glowy and youthful. Oh yeah, it is a great, great serum. An age-defying serum with barley EGF to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, boost hydration and restore younger looking skin with only 7 pure ingredients. Significantly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, renews, revives, restore the skin, maximizes radiance and tone, increases skin thickness, I'm just repeating all over again, but yeah, it is brilliant serum. If you've never tried it before, yeah, it is great. So there's that. Next up, we got a product from Pacifica. This is Lavender Moon Body Lotion, Lavender Rose and Chamomile, Relaxing Plant Powered Aromatherapy, 100% vegan and cruelty free, and there's 147 mils there. What beautiful packaging. Try a little bit on my hand here. Woo! It always happens. Always happens. I aim for a little blob and a load comes out. Right, I'm just trying to suck it back in. Put it on my arms as well. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. Lavender. I love the scent of lavender. It feels gorgeous. It does feel really nice on the skin. A relaxing aromatherapy blend with lavender essential oil, melts hydrating oils of sunflower and vitamin E to help support your most beautiful skin. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a little sleep set. This is a satin sleep set by Kitsch Beauty. Comes in this pouch here. We've got a pillowcase, a scrunchie and an eye mask in a gorgeous tie-dye design. Ooh, scrunchie, always handy, especially if you've got long hair or hair extensions where you need to tie your hair in a plait or something. Handy, handy. Then an eye mask. I do own quite a few eye masks. I've got quite a bit of a collection going on. But yeah, look, adjustable. That's the first time I've seen an adjustable one like this. But it makes sense if you've got really thick hair, especially if you've got really thick curly hair. And then, ooh, it's got a little zip there as well. Ooh, I like that. Sometimes they don't have zips, so you just put your pillow in and that's it. This is lovely. Hopefully you'll be able to pick it up on the camera. It's like a pinky peach tie-dye. Oh, that is so nice. Pillowcase benefits. Elevate your beauty rest with the luxury of satin. Gentle on all skin and hair types. Aids skin in retaining moisture. Eye mask. Gentle on all skin types. Adjustable strap for maximum comfort. Blocks light for deep and restful sleep. And then the scrunchie. Glides through hair without snagging for all hair types and textures. Creaseless alternative to traditional elastics. May protect hair from breakage and thinning. I love that. I love that. Those are all the products in this. What is it called? I forgot what it's called. More Beauty Sleep. I was going to say Better Beauty Sleep. So More Beauty Sleep box. I absolutely love it. There's a few products in there that I have tried before. I've tried the sleep oil, I've tried the Elemis eye patches and the Molten Brown bath and shower gel. But that doesn't matter. Yeah, overall, I got it for £38 something. Yeah, £245 it's all worth if you were to buy them all individually. No, I had to get it. I had to snap it up as soon as I spotted it. I'd love to know what you think though, so please comment down below. But before I go, I'll just do a bit of a recap. So we've got a pillowcase, eye mask and scrunchie. We've got a Pacifica Lavender Moon Body Lotion. We've got a Molten Brown Relaxing Ylang-Ylang Bath and Shower Gel. We've got a BIOEFFECT EGF Serum. We've got a Scientia Dusk Elixir Face Oil. We've got a Medik8 Glycolic Sleep Treatment. We've got an Hourglass Equilibrium Cleanser. We've got Sunday Riley Slumber Party Sleep Spray. We've got a set of 3 Elemis Pro-Collagen Hydra Gel patches for your eyes. And lastly, we've got a pack of Odacite California Soothing Bath Soak. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.